Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to import .ts video file in Adobe Premiere Pro. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Mostly .ts video file inserted in Adobe Premiere Pro easily. But if you are facing any issue while importing .ts video file in Adobe Premiere Pro, so we are going to fix it. Now drag and drop .ts file in Adobe Premiere Pro. Now in my case, .ts file not imported. Now back to folder, right click on it and then you see rename, so click on it and then you see file extension .ts. Now remove and change to MP4. Now click and then click on yes. Now you see video file format change. If you don't see file extension, then on top you see view button, so click on it and then you see file name extension, so enable this option. Now file format change. Now drag and drop in Adobe Premiere Pro. Now you see file is inserting and working properly. If you are facing any issue, then you can convert .ts video file in .mp4. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.